Hey everyone, come clean with me today. I've got a ton of cleaning going on in this video, starting off with my kitchen and living room. I'm going to hit up both of the kids' bedrooms. I'm going to go ahead and start organizing some of the winter jackets. Those need to be put away and really kind of deep cleaning the area. My dog is still recovering, so I've been taking care of her, and we've got kind of a mess going on around her space as well. So my dog is still recovering from her sickness, the vestibular disease, and she, for the most part, has been doing pretty well. She has had some minor setbacks. We are going to be going back to the vet this week again to double check. I'm starting to think that she may have an ear infection on top of everything, but I do have her space, which is the living room up here where she's been sleeping. That space needs to be tidied up and cleaned up. The kitchen needs to be cleaned up. It's just gotten messy and really just needs a organization and clean. I'm gonna head into the bathroom. That needs to be organized, cleaned, and everything needs to be wiped down. I'm gonna also hit up my kids' bedrooms and just do a quick organization in there. Now this video is pretty much a quick cleanup. I'm not doing a ton of like decluttering or anything in this video, but I'm doing a good amount of cleaning. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two with a third on the way, and I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy watching, I'd be super grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and checked out some of my other videos. I will say that because we are primarily downstairs in the bar area and in the living room, or the family room area, excuse me, that the upstairs living room and kitchen is pretty much clean for the most part. I mean, right now I've got a bunch of stuff on the countertops, but for the most part, this area is usually the cleanest part of the house. I do cooking up here, and once I'm done cooking, I clean and put everything away, so that way when guests come over, the kitchen looks presentable. But for that the downstairs bar and family room look like a giant mess half of the time. It kind of stinks. I do wish we had a separate playroom for the kids where all of their toys could be hidden, but we definitely don't, so we just kind of deal with what we have. The countertops have to get organized and decluttered. The mirror is getting cleaned. The light fixtures really need a good deep cleaning. I just wiped them down, but I do have to go ahead and disassemble this entire light fixture and really get into the nitty and gritty, but I'll save that for a different day. My kids had bath time last night, so the countertops and everything are just kind of like in shambles. I still have bubble bath out. That needs to be put away. The trash needs to be taken out, and I need to do a quick bleach of the toilet and make sure that is disinfected and clean.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck.
Honestly, I feel like I've deep cleaned this bathroom not too long ago, and we are ready for another deep clean in this bathroom. The baseboards have to be wiped down. The floors need to have a good deep clean. I have to take off the light fixtures, get into the fan, and deep clean that as well, and clean all of the grout lines. I'm gonna go ahead and save that for another time. I don't have that time today, but it is so much needed.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We all got this life, no guarantees and stars align. And try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
This entire back entry is always really disgusting and dirty. When my kids are playing outside, they come in, they touch the walls. We've had to clean the walls so many times. I'm actually needing to clean the walls again, get all of that dirt and grime off. The window back here, the glass is always, full of handprints, or if it's not handprints, it's the dog's nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this back door as well. The door needs a quick bleach. There's just like little fingerprints all over. I'm going to do that right now, but it does need a good and more thorough scrub that I'm going to do when I do like a whole house deep clean.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, but
kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers and make out spontaneous. so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory.
We had such beautiful weather for the last 2 weeks in the high 50s and in the mid 60s. We've even reached 70, which was amazing. However, today has definitely cooled down. It is in the 30s all week. It's going to be in the 30s and 40s. So it's kind of a bummer, but it will be sunny. So I'm not going to be entirely upset. However, the next time it does warm up, I will make a deep cleaning video on all of my windows. I love to clean my windows in the spring and in the fall, exterior, interior, and really get into all the nooks and crannies. I definitely do not want the sun glaring and showing all of that dirt from the outside in.
Such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like.
When my dog is laying down upstairs, I've got these puppy pads on her dog bed because she's been vomiting a little bit. So I want to make sure that if she does vomit, it's a quick and easy cleanup. I'm going to go ahead and put a blanket back over these puppy pads so they don't move around. And then I have another blanket with puppy pads underneath on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and remove that for now because that doesn't need to be there.
Know each other, but sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? No.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the
I'm tidying up this little entertainment console over here. Now, this is actually a shelf that goes into our office. I would love to really get a nice TV stand in here, but I don't want to do anything until we move because I really want to get all brand new furniture, or mostly brand new furniture, when we finally do move. So we just kind of have to make do with what we have. I'm going to clean this off. I got some of my dog's medication here, and I'm going to go ahead and leave that on the bottom shelf and just wipe everything down.
Signs told us how we could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you 'cause I feel the same. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation to tackle on some of the projects in your house. And if you guys did and enjoyed this video, I'd be so grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and checked out some of my other videos as well.